In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can create like this free Europass CV. So let's move into this video. Simply type Europass CV in Google. Scroll down and open this website. Click on login to Europass. If you already have an account, simply log in by using your email and password. Otherwise, click on create an account. Enter your name and email address. Select language. Check below box and click on create an account. Now you will get a confirmation email on your provided email address. Simply open that email, verify and set your password. After that, go to login page. Enter your email and password to log in to your account. Now click on create your free Europass. Then create my profile. Enter your name, date of birth, gender and your nationality. Now add your contact details such as email address, phone number, home or work address, etc. Once filled all the information here, click next. Now add here your work experience like your designation, your employer name, job description, etc. You can add more work experience by clicking on add new work experience. After that, click on next and add your educational details. After that, you can add your language skills. Enter here your mother tongue. Then you can add other language which you know. Now the last, you can add here your digital skills. Simply you can type here or drag out of these skills. Here you are almost done. Now it's time to create your CV. Click on create. If you would like to add your photo, you can add by clicking here. You can add here something about you, like you add summary on your profile. So now click on my profile, then start from my profile, continue, select entire profile, click no thanks. Now from here you can choose any format or color you like. Select the format you want and then click next. Choose a name for your CV, select PDF and click on download. So here is your CV. I hope this will help you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more useful videos. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.